So the next one that we are going to do is the account balance. So if you want to check your pay bill balance, the B2C especially, or the T or the M-pesa C2B, if you want to check the balance on your shortcode, so this is how you are going to check. So this is the API that you need in order to do that. So let's wait. So this is what you are required. Then the request body, which is also stated here. So here you set the party B as the organization shortcode. Then this will generate the security credential and then the initiator. So here for us, here we have this initiator. This is the initiator name. Because they are the same, I've just placed in the same. Now you can see from this I have this code. Now this is the code that you're gonna use to check your organization balance, the organization shortcode balance. Then here you replace your organization shortcode balance. So here you can set the identifier as one for number, which is MSISND. Then you can use here for till number 2 for till number, then organization shortcode you can use 4. So here let me take this as our organization shortcode, then I will replace it here. Then I'm going here, I will replace it here, replace it there. Then I'm going to use the same callback that we used, the queue timeout URL as the one that we used at our here at transaction. So I'm going to use the same one because it's the same thing, it will fetch data that we need. So now let's test it. Let me copy that and come to here. Where's the account? Then come here and paste that, then reload and see what it will give us. So authentication header failure. So it means that I have not included the access token, which is from here. So to include it, this is where, because this is authorization barrier, the access token. So remember that you need the access token for each and every API. So when I reload it, here it is, I've gotten successful. So here, when you can see from here, it means that when you get that, it means that we have gotten it successful. You can see even the response description, the response 0. So then let's come here and see if here from this result URL, if we have anything that has been sent there. So there is not, because it is used in another URL. So that's how you check the organization balance, account balance, using the PHP code. So see you in the next video.